Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I wanted to put a video together real quick on Warrior Plus affiliate marketing because, this is one of the ways that I make money online. I have several different passive income streams in my online business, and one of them is using the Warrior Plus market, and I usually focus on coloring book and private label rights products, selling those on this platform. But there's so many other different niches that you can sell products in. And I was just going in here doing my accounting for April. Here it is, May 4th, 2021. I was doing my accounting and was going to go over to my Warrior Plus wallet. And you can see that there's $2,187 in there, 230 is pending. And right here, what you do is you just go and add funds or withdrawal. So I would be pushing this withdrawal button here in a minute, and then that's going to take this money and it's going to send it directly to my PayPal account, where I can take that and then put that into my bank account. But if I come up here to the affiliate dashboard, then you'll just see that this last month I made $2,360 on the platform. $52 was vendor sales, so you can see that the affiliate sales was over $2,300. And in the last 30 days, almost $2,500. And this just keeps going up and up and up. So the more I've been on the platform and finding great products to promote, and not getting refund rates or anything like that, then you'll see right here, I make sales every single day on the platform, and then I make some vendor sales here and there. I only have 2 products that I have created and put on this platform, but I just wanted to show you what's possible, that this is just one income stream in my business, and it's an extra almost $2,500 into my business each month. And so I wanted to just show you how you can go about finding a good offer to promote on Warrior Plus and staying away from some of the poorer products. Now, there's 2 different ways. If there's a product launch coming up, you're going to have to kind of do your due diligence looking at the sales pages themselves. And so if you went to the marketplace over here and then went to top products, it's going to give you top products for today, the last 7 days. So right here, what's selling, the top 10 selling products today. And then you can go to yesterday, and then you can go to the last 30 days. But even this last 30 days isn't going to give you the full story, because if you look at the last 7 days, so last 30 days, deep link, right? But then if you go to 7 days, deep link is not in here, right? So deep link must have been a product from more than a week ago, because it's not even on the 7-day list. So what this means is that deep link might have just had 5,000 sales in its launch period, which is usually 3 to 4 days long. And so this doesn't tell you the full story. This doesn't mean that this has been evergreen and selling for the last month. It just means that it was the most successful launch on the platform during the last 30 days. But you don't really get a whole lot of information when you're on the marketplace. And if you click on any of these, it'll actually just take you to the sales page, so you can check out the sales page. The best way to go about actually looking at this platform and finding products that have low refund rates and high conversions and are worth your while is to actually go over to the affiliate area, right? Affiliate, and then click on offers. And if you go to the affiliate offers page section, then it'll give you all of the 8,000 live products in the system right now, right? And you can look through all of here. It's going to automatically sort it by pulse score. So pulse, and you can do launch date, sales, visitor value, average sale, conversion rate, and vendor. Now, the pulse score is a score that Warrior Plus gives it. The higher the score, the better. And if we look at here, these ones are just going to be ads, so we'll leave those ones alone. But once we come down over to here, you will see that the pulse score goes from high to low, and you can the statistics given here are really, really valuable, because if you want to start promoting some products here, you'll actually be able to. You'll want to focus on the refund rate. And you can also focus on the average sale per sale, but really we want to focus on the refund rate and the conversion rate. So when you're looking at this first one here, that's at the top pulse score, it's unbelievable. It made over 3,000 sales right here, and it had an 11% conversion rate. And so if you send traffic, if you send 100 visitors, you can count on getting 11 sales from this, which is pretty awesome. And then it has a low refund rate at 1%. So this one would be something that would be interesting to look at, right? And we keep scrolling down here, right? You can scroll down here and, well, with this crypto, and just kind of look at some of these, right? So like 1,000 plus sales, 3,000 plus sales, the conversion rate. So the conversion rate on this one was actually pretty low. This X targeter, at 6%. Not too excited about that, but it does have a low refund rate. So it still would be something worth looking at. But when you want to find a gem, you would keep scrolling down to see if you can find one that has a really, high conversion rate. And like, for example, right here, this Tweety Promote Evergreen Massive Conversions, it has a 22% conversion rate and it only a 3% refund rate. Because you don't want to do all the work, make a sale, and then have, 10 to 20% of your customers or even more just getting a refund, because then it's just not worth your time. And so you want really low refund rates. So here's another good one, Rebills. They had over 2,000 sales, a 16% conversion rate, which is really great, and a good visitor value and a good average per sale. And then they only had a 2% refund rate. So what you can do is you can actually open these up by just right clicking and open the tab. And then you can also go and check out the vendor, right? So this breakout industries, it'll tell you they're a top 5% vendor and they've had one featured product. So it looks like they just launched one product. They had a lot of JVs, so joint venture partners that promoted this product. So this was a really big launch. They had thousands of sales. They had over 2,000 sales. And that's how they're able to achieve these badges on their first product. Because you can see they only have one product loaded right here, right? But it got really good ratings as well. So you really want to look at this because there's other products that you can look at that will get 1 or 2 stars. And this will give you an idea of the vendor as well. So you can go and check out more products when you come through here and check out more products. Let's see if we can find another one. Maybe an example. So right here, we'll come over here and then there's Brendan Mace. And if we right click on this one, and he sponsored UPassive, and I think there's another guy that he partnered with on this. But here's what you really, he's got all the badges. He's a top 1%. He's a superstar vendor, all that, because he's made, millions of sales. He's made over 250,000 sales. But if you look at the ratings, he has a 2.68, not even a 3-star rating. So it kind of tells you, these products are just not. Now this UPassive got a good rating. That's nice. But when you really look at here, there's too many 3-star or less products on here for my liking. And so I wouldn't want to recommend these products because they're just going to be going after shiny object. You just want people that are desperate to make money online, and they keep paying these $10 to $15 products that just simply are not a real business model. And they promise free traffic and free money, this and all that. And it really doesn't work. When you work hard and you select good products and then you offer value to people, that's what makes money online for the long haul, right? So this would just be an example of maybe a vendor or products that I would stay away from. But when you find vendors that have really good ratings and a good product that has, we go back over here to Rebills, has a really good conversion rate, made over 2,000 sales, and has only a 2% refund rate, then you're looking a lot better, right? And so what you can do is you can actually click on the Rebills and then go and check out another page that gives even more details about it, right? And so you can come over here and it'll give you those same stats over here, but then you can go to this button here, View Sales Page. You can come back over here and you can see the sales page. It's a really, really nice looking sales page. And this is kind of what I like to see. So they're going to help you build a full-time income in the next 48 hours. And it's making them $200 to $300 daily in reoccurring commissions. So what I really like to see is, a model where there's a chance to make reoccurring commissions, right? So I've seen a lot more sales hype than that. So I kind of like they're not overdoing it on promising the world, but then not delivering. So, they're like, it doesn't really just take 30 minutes. You're going to be spending a couple hours getting everything set up. And so you just have to know that you can't set up a business in 30 minutes. It just doesn't work like that. you've got to have an email and an email autoresponder like GetResponse or Aweber. You've got to have a funnel. You've got to, you're going to have a YouTube page set up so you can make review videos on this product. You're going to possibly have a website. You can't do any of those things in 30 minutes. So you have to use your judgment when selecting a product here to sell to people. If you're going to send people to this page, are they going to be able to sniff it out and say, oh, this is just garbage, right? Or like, this is fake. I'm not going to buy into this shiny object. But this one actually is going to teach you how to focus your affiliate marketing on focusing on products that actually can get you reoccurring commissions. And there was a part down here that I was going to check that, let's look at, so there's the steps to the system. So all in all, it looks like a good system. So this is affiliate marketing kind of 101 on the Warrior Plus platform, right? And this is how you can find products that are selling, right? So if we go to like refund rate, it doesn't look like you can filter it by refund rate, but what I don't really have a huge rule of thumb, but I really stay away from products that have a 10% or higher refund rate. I do like to see them under 5%, but completely run away from trying to promote a product that has a 10% refund rate or higher, right? So that's definitely, and then as far as conversion rates, looking over here, there's one at 6%. So I really like to see the product have a 10% or higher conversion rate as well. So I probably wouldn't go for this one right here, 60-second traffic pro at 9. And then I probably wouldn't go for this X targeter at 6%, right? So you want I really like to find a golden product under 5% refund rate and over 10% conversion rate. And then I like to see that they had at least a few hundred sales, maybe 500 sales or more. And then that will get you into that really good product that is probably going to be worth promoting. So let's see if we can find some of these, 9% refund rate right here, and only a 3% conversion rate. So this would be a no-no right here. You would not want to promote that product as well. So I hope that this helped you. I just really was going to do my accounting and was going into my Warrior Plus wallet to pull out my, $2,100, almost $2,200 that I have in there and just send it over to my PayPal. And I just wanted to do a quick tutorial for you if you are in affiliate marketing and wanted to. And this is 2021. This does work and it is great. So thanks for watching. And if you did like the video and found value from it, just hit that like button and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks.